Hello friends, myself Dr. Vikram Chauhan from planetayurveda.com. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor practicing in India, in Chandigarh, and I come across a lot of patients who are suffering from different health conditions, and I see many patients suffering from high blood pressure, and high blood pressure and that is leading to heart problems. So today I'm going to talk about how this blood pressure is affecting our lives and why we get blood pressure. In Ayurveda, it is mentioned that if you are living normally without deviating from your normal karmas or your actions, or you're not changing your lifestyles adversely, then you can live your life without blood pressure. So it is possible. And how we get blood pressure? Because we are not sleeping well, we are thinking too much, we are doing some works, some actions some steps we take in life which leads to blood pressure. Some wrong relationships, they lead to blood pressure. Some pressure from people, that can lead to blood pressure, from your spouse, from your business partner, from your people around you. So it is the way we think, because the thinking, the thoughts, they create this adrenaline and cortisol and the stress hormones, and then you're not sleeping, and such hormones, they start to build up in your body, and then that can lead to palpitation, high blood pressure, and constriction of the arteries, leading to the increased blood flow. So first step is to change your environment. Number one, environment, not in like you go somewhere else, environment of your brain, of your thinking pattern. Get rid of the fear, get rid of the thoughts which are causing blood pressure, and don't be scared. Secondly, do some exercise, so that if you're exercising regularly, if you're walking long distances, if you are doing some cycling or swimming or something, that leads to some kind of fatigue and tiredness in your muscles, and then you can sleep very well. So that also deviates your mind from thoughts. So it is very important to exercise. So you can also do breathing exercise, pranayama. So mostly people, they don't know how to do pranayama, so you can learn from YouTube. Many good teachers are there. So there are different types of breathing exercise, because oxygen is something which you need for your blood vessels, which can help to dilate the blood vessels and reduce the blood pressure. And especially if you can walk across the beautiful lakes in your city, because lake has, whenever you are walking around the lake, you are getting abundant ozone. Not only oxygen, oxygen is one step, ozone is the next step. So you need oxygen as well as you need ozone. So ozone gives you sufficient quantity of quality oxygen, you can say, and reduces the blood pressure. Om chanting is very important. When you can find out how to do Om chanting. So Om mantra is very powerful mantra which can help to bring the vibration in certain part of the brain, to calm down the brain, and it's like a massage of the cerebrum of your thoughts, so you can cut down your thoughts. So number of thoughts you have to reduce. You need to meditate. It helps to reduce the quantity of adrenaline level which is pushing in your arteries and pushing your heart. So it is very important to go for psychological counseling also. If you know somebody, talk to somebody about your problems and fears and phobias and issues, and certainly, and it should be your well-wisher. But the best thing is to meditate and calm down and do some yoga exercises also. And other than this, in your food, avoid anything which is heating in nature, because blood pressure is fire. So if you are avoiding salt, if you are avoiding spicy, if you are avoiding sour things, then you can calm down your blood pressure. And also when you are eating something packaged food, because packaged food can contain a lot of chemicals, a lot of salty things also, like this butter, the salty butter also can cause this blood pressure. And certain herbs are there, a lot of fruits, vegetables, all greens, all red, orange, yellow fruits, apples, they have certain flavonoids, certain quercetin, coenzyme Q10, certain anthocyanidins, certain alkaloids are there in the plants which are very good to calm down the blood pressure, get rid of the free radicals in your body, and calm down the arteries and prevents the formation of these homocysteine and free radicals. So apples are must for you. And other than that, you can take some herbs like Arjuna. Arjuna is full of natural CoQ10 and helps to calm down your arteries. It's cooling in nature. Grapes are very good. Red grapes are good, apples are good, and also there is a herb called Sarpagandha. So Sarpagandha is Sarpagandha Ghanvati. We have the tablet that is clearing the adrenaline from your blood, and it can immediately reduce the blood pressure. There is a product called Sleep Naturals we have. It also has Brahmi, Ashwagandha, Shankh Pushpi, Indian Valeriana. So such herbs which are very calming to the mind. You can take some tea made from Brahmi, tea made from, we have Calm Easy capsules, Calm Easy tea also there. There are certain herbs like Shankh Pushpi, Brahmi, and this Valeriana. Chamomile tea is also good. So all these things, and I'm very much sure that these will bring down. And there is wonderful tea called Arjun tea. So the bark of the Arjun tree has natural CoQ10 and many natural flavonoids which are good for your heart. It can even help to give strength to the muscle of your heart. So arjunatosides are there, cardiac glycosides are there in the bark of the Arjun tree. So we have made some Arjun tea made from the bark, so you can use that. And also we have added some other herbs which are protective for your heart and also cleaning the arteries, so it's good for your. So this way you can take care of your heart, take care of your blood pressure, and live a healthy, happy life. You can be in touch with our team of doctors. Go to planetayurveda.com and you will find a lot of doctors are there. You can take online appointment and discuss your issues with them. Thank you very much.
Getting the benefits of natural Ayurvedic treatment is so easy now. No worries about traveling and lodging expenses. No need to delay your traveling plan to India or any other country for doctor's appointment due to other work commitments. No stress of embassy and other legal permissions. Save your time and money. Avail online good, effective Ayurvedic consultation from top Ayurveda experts at www.planetayurveda.com. Your best friend for a healthier, happier and wealthier life. Experienced team of Ayurveda doctors with effective skills to help you follow Ayurvedic principles of healthy living. Private, personalized and online mode of consultation in the comfort of your home. Exclusive Ayurvedic clinics, centers, branches and outlets worldwide. Worldwide home delivery of pure natural herbal supplements available. Book video consultation now with MD Ayurveda experts. Call or drop a WhatsApp message on any of the helpline numbers on your screens. Fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, ulcerative colitis, ITP, chronic kidney, skin, lung diseases, neck, back, knee pains, arthritis, psoriasis, migraine, gynae problems, diabetes, belly fat, scleroderma, various types of cancers or any problem. Only one solution, www.planetayurveda.com. Not just this, adopt and follow natural Ayurveda and spread it with people around you for a healthier and disease-free planet. For franchisee, visit now www.planetayurveda.com.